when you're looking for a brick, look for something that you know won't age too fast. Try and steer away from trends. Think about something that's going to be, you're going to be happy with in 10 or 20 years' time. Really, I think that's the key with these things. Look at the environment you're in. Should the brick be a lighter colour because it's really hot outside? Could the brick be a darker colour because you're in a moderate or temperate or a cooler climate? These are sort of small things, small factors to consider. Look at the colour of the mortar if you're going down the path of face brick, because darker mortar with lighter brick will give you a different appearance to a darker brick with a lighter mortar. There's a lot of games you can play in terms of design. How to bring the brick out, how to set the brick back. No less important, but still a critical factor in the design and how you approach it.